In this video, we're going to show you how to make indicator alerts to fully automate your complete volume pump strategy. So once you have the complete volume pump strategy added to your chart, how I have it here, and you have your strategy settings that you like, all you do then is add your complete volume pump alerts indicator to your chart also. And all you do then is you simply make sure that the settings here in your indicator, which should actually look exactly just like your strategy, you want to make sure that every single setting matches exactly, every checkbox, every number, everything. And once you do that, you'll see that when they all match on the chart, you'll get these lines that appear above your entries and exits. And this, you just want to make sure that they match. So let me show you without it. This is if you just have the strategy enabled. And when your settings on the alerts match your strategy exactly, wait for that to load, you'll get lines right above that. So if your lines were somewhere else and they didn't match the strategy, that would mean it's something's not set up correct, but they should match exactly. So once you've verified that and you've double and triple checked your settings on your indicator and your strategy together, you can actually move on to the next point and actually add alerts. So in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add alerts for longs and for shorts, and that will include long entries and long exits and short entries and short exits. And it's really simple, and you can really literally do each within 5 seconds. So let me just show that to you real quick. So now that settings have matched, you'll go here. I've already added these from a previous. Let me just delete these real quick. Okay, so first thing you'll want to do is add your long entries. You're going to go to the clock icon, which is the alerts icon. Click on create alert. And you're just going to say, well, first you got to tell what your condition is going to be. So we have it needs to be the complete volume pump alerts. It's the second one on this list, so it's going to be the second one on this list, complete volume pump alerts. It's this one. We'll click on that. We are going to make the condition a long, and it's always going to be once per bar close for your entries. So short entries and long entries are always once per bar close. It's not anything else. It won't work correctly because the strategy and the indicator only calculates on the bar close for entries. So you would click on once per bar close. You could put any message down here you want to notify you, or you could put in syntax that would link up with your exchange and place the order automatically. So once you've done that, you would just click create, and we'll wait for that to appear. Now you have long entries automatically automated for longs. And now you want to do the same thing for your long exits. So you'll go back here. It's already up. Click on set alert. We are going to go back to the second one on here because it's the second one on this list, complete volume pump alerts. So now we're going to where it says exit long. And your exit long and exit shorts will always be once per bar. Because if your stop loss hits, your take profit, or any other criteria hits, you want that to happen real time as it happens. So it's once per bar for your exits. So we'll click on that. Again, you can type your message down here or any syntax you want. And then go ahead and click create. So now we have a fully functional long entry and long exit system. Now we just got to do the same thing for the shorts. So now we'll go to the second one. Second one over here. We're going to go to short for the short entries, once per bar close. Type in your syntax. You're done. Wait for that to pop up. Now we're going to create a short exit. So our condition is the volume, the second one. exit short once per bar, type in your syntax or whatever message you want, create, and you are done. Literally 5 seconds per alert. You have a fully functional trading system that will enter longs and shorts and exit longs and shorts. And you'll never have to check the chart again with this. It will follow your strategy exactly as you have it set. Now, I do want to say that, of course, that the past is no indication of what will happen in the future. So I always recommend to keep a close eye on your trading systems at all times. You can check it once a day or at other times, just depending on what your strategy actually is. I just think that's a very wise thing to do. But on the alert side, it's fully automated based on whatever price does according to your strategy settings. And the alerts that you just set up will follow those. So the alerts will automatically get emailed to you or sent to your phone or sent to the exchange via the API if you have it set up like that. So that's it. That's how you can fully automate your trading with the complete volume pump indicator alerts and automate your complete volume pump strategy. Thanks for watching and happy trading.